There are two things in life which is very, very important. One is the planets, another is the time. These two things govern our life. People all tell wherever we go, no, planets don't have any influence on our life. I always tell them why there is always a mood swings during Amavasya or Paurnami. The least bit which people, every common man can pick it. So I always tell there is a time connected with it. This I have checked in the coronation chart or the oath taking chart. I have checked in even Sensex. First, if you take a oath taking chart, I always have seen whenever there is a planetary combination of the negative energies mix, like if most planets are in 6, 8, 12, then the entire year or the time period which the CM or whoever it is or the PM, there's going to be lot of problems. Now let's take the Stalin's oath. So if you cast his horoscope of the day when he had taken the CM post, he has taken it in Mithuna Lagna. Astrology, can it be used in politics? Yes, it can be certainly used in politics. Can a CM really do good things of whatever ideas he has? Yes, you can do it. Because time can either bring you up or pull you down. Now, I am going to do a detailed analysis of Stalin oath taking. So I casted the horoscope. I was like quite inquisitive because with the rains, I saw the entire Chennai coming to a standstill. I was wondering why it was happening. It was much worse than the previous periods. So I just casted the horoscope. I saw he had taken the oath in the Mithuna Lagna. He had 3 planets in the 12th house, which is Venus, Mercury and Rahu, which means 4th Lord in 12th house along with the 12th Lord and a Rahu. It's a very, very worst combination. I do not know which is the astrologer who has kept this time for him, or the karma took over when they said astrology is wrong and God is wrong, Devata worship is wrong. So God played the havoc in their mind. That's how I see it. So what has happened? Now, after Stalin oath taking, the first thing is there was a big hangama about real estate. It could never recover. There's lot of standstill, lot of struggle. And I will always say it is because of the wrong oath taking time. And next thing, subsequently, when he started having the Rahu period, the rains came, there was a complete mismanagement. So Rahu in 12th house, we saw the entire Chennai floating and it mixed. Like Rahu is connected with drainage system, our Chennai water is completely mixed with sewage. Perfect example of what the planet can do it, not only in personal life, also in the state and the nation. Now, what will be the future based upon the Stalin's oath taking? Because there's a saying, how is the king, that's how is the place, that's how is the reign, and that's how is the life of the subjects. So, wrong oath taking, so Chennai is going to suffer, Tamil Nadu is going to suffer. In terms of rains, it will be excessive rains or less rains, excessive heat. So, people are going to have difficulties. And since Rahu period is running, there's going to be lot of disease which is going to crop up, and certainly Stalin is going to have a tough time in managing. And next is real estate is not going to open up. It's going to be very dull and the prices are not going to come up. There's going to be a fluctuation strange. After oath taking, Ford withdrew from Chennai. So 4th Lord in 12th house operated. There's a massive displacement of people, loss of income. So 4th Lord in 12th house along with the 12th Lord and Rahu had shown his impact. What will happen in people's life? Will Stalin listen? Will DMK accept that astrology and timing is needed? Yes, they have to accept, and God is showing them, hey, please change yourself. If you don't change, not only you suffer, the entire place is going to suffer. So a lot of companies may withdraw, the home turf, the Chennai is not going to be a very easy path to walk for Stalin unless he is going to take a re-oath or realign with the timing. Only time can help him to save. Otherwise, next 5 years for Stalin, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, all three are going to have a tough time when it comes to the industry, when it comes to his place. So, Stalin sir, please listen. We are here so that for the betterment of the world, kindly change. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you.